Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is going to be another strategy video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do intraday. Okay, this is one of my strategy which I use for intraday trading. But guys, remember, I'm not an intraday trader. I am a swing trader and I do intraday entries. Okay, that is, I wait for my levels to be tested on intraday timing and I enter and I hold it for a long time. But this is a very good strategy which you guys can use if you're looking forward for an intraday strategy. Okay, so let's get into charts. So there are few rules. Okay, you have to understand there are few rules. That is, if you're doing intraday, you can't be trading hundreds of stocks. Okay, make sure you have a list like this. That is, see, these are all the stocks which are in Nifty 50. Okay, Tata Motors, SBIN, Reliance, BPCL, ONGC, all these are in Nifty 50. Okay, why did I choose Nifty 50? It's because they are highly liquid stocks. Okay, so how do I trade? First, what do is I go into the charts. I go into the charts and I go into daily time frame. Daily time frame, first I see if there is any pattern, any kind of bullish momentum or bearish momentum. And intraday, I would prefer only buying it. Selling is not possible. It's because selling is definitely possible, but you cannot take it forward. If buying, you do the buying, you'll be able to take it forward. Imagine if you bought today, you'll be able to hold it for at least 2 to 3 days and sell it. So it becomes positional or swing. So that is why I recommend only buying. I don't recommend selling. So let's see how I analyze it. First, I go to daily time frame, and daily time frame, I try to identify the recent swings. Okay, so this is a support and this is a resistance. Okay, so done. This is a support and resistance. Then what do is I go to 15 minutes time frame, and then I see what is the potential. Okay, so if I see market went up, okay, it took a rejection from here, it came down. Now what is happening, there is a higher probability that it can come test this level or test even this level. Okay, so I will mark this as my key level. So this is my key level, I marked it. That's it. So how do I trade this now? If market breaks below this, I will enter. Okay, I will enter, and I use two indicators. Okay, I use two indicators here. Let me plot those. One is Bollinger Band. Okay, if you go to your indicators tab, and if you see here, that is Bollinger Band. Just press Bollinger Band and come out. Bollinger Band, I go into setting. I don't want the baseline. I remove the baseline. Input length should be 20. Standard deviation should be 1.5. Standard deviation is 1.5. Okay, you just click OK that. So now we have plotted this. So what do? I wait for price to go down past the Bollinger Band. If it goes past the Bollinger Band, it will go back to the middle. Okay, see, the baseline is the middle line. Why did I take it away? It's because it can confuse few people. But how do I enter here is, do you see this price has gone outside the Bollinger Band here? Basically the price outside. This is not how it's supposed to be. It has stretched. If it has stretched, it has to go back to its mean. This is its mean. Middle of the Bollinger Band, it's its mean. Here's where the volume is. Okay, so if you see, here is where most of the volume will be. Probability is it will go back here and then come down. Okay, but where do I trade? I will tell you where do I trade. I will wait for sorry, just a minute. So I will wait for the price to, because the market's in sideways now, I will wait for price to cross this upper band. That is, if it crosses somewhere here, I will entry here, keep my stop loss here. Okay, and this will be my target. But see, if you see in Tata Motors, it did not give us an entry, so I'm not ready for this. This is not a trade. This is not a trade for me. I'm going to ignore this stock. Next, I will go to SBIN. This is my next stock. I go to SBIN. I wait for my setting. You see, the price has gone out. What happened? It came back in. See, price has gone out, came back in. If you see it on the buying side, see, price has gone out. See how big of profit. Guys, stop loss in this is very small. Okay, you see this, price has gone out and then come back down. This is how Bollinger Band actually works. See, price has gone out, come back in. This is what we are going to trade. You understand? So now we will go to daily time frame in SBIN. Okay, let me turn off the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is off. So the price is going up, price is going above and above. So how do I buy it here? I will go to 15 minutes time frame first, expand it. In 15 minutes time frame, if you see, this is a trend line. If you guys can see, this is a trend line. Trend line has been broken. Trend has been broken. There's a probability to come down. So what I will do, I will wait for it to come to this level. I will keep this as a confluence. I will turn on the Bollinger Bands. If you see, the price has extended down a lot. Okay, I'm waiting for it to extend little more. So I will enter here. This will be my stop loss and my target is till the upper side. You see the target? This will be my target. I don't have a problem even if it hits my stop loss here. Again, when I get the same outpost like this, if it comes again like this, I will enter, so I can capture this big move. Imagine guys, if I would have entered here, okay, if I would have entered here, kept my stop loss below this, okay, entered here, kept my stop loss below this, 1:8, it's a big profit. Okay, this is how you should focus on your profit. Here you don't entry like this, you wait for one green candle to form and then you enter. When it's a red candle, don't enter. When there is a green candle, you enter. Okay, when there's a green candle, you enter. Till then you wait, let the market stretch as much as it wants. It has to go back to its mean. For an extra additional thing, we are going to add another indicator, that is 22 moving average. Okay, 22 EMA, not SMA, 22 EMA. I will plot that too. See, this is 22 EMA. So 22 EMA is negative. That is negative. See, because it went up, it came down. 22 EMA is negative. So in this scenario, what you can do is you can wait for it to become flat. This should become flat. See, if it becomes flat like this, it will move. If it becomes flat, it will move. So wait for it to become flat. It is curved now. Wait for it to become flat, then you can enter. And we want a good green candle here, so we can enter. So these are the two ways you can trade. Next, we'll see Reliance. In Reliance, if you see it has extended and see the pump up. This is what I'm telling you guys. It's fine. One stop loss, two stop loss is totally fine. Stop losses will happen. You can't help it. And if you see, markets also in a downtrend, it is breaking the trend line and it is here. Now what I'll do is go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, wait for another pullback down. Another pullback down. It's totally fine. Wait for a pullback or wait for it to take support in this EMA. If it takes support in this EMA, you can enter like this with a small stop loss, or you can wait for price to come outside, that is below. It should come, it should expand, it should stretch itself below the Bollinger Band, so you can enter. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. So these are the criterias for you to enter and exit. If you guys see it clearly, wherever it has stretched, it has gone out. See, it has stretched here, gone down, then stretched, gone out. You see this stretched, gone up. This is how Bollinger Band works. Bollinger Band is a very good indicator which beginners can use. It is a very good indicator what beginners can use. Let's see BPCL. Let's see two more stocks and then we are good to go. BPCL, if you see it has stretched here. See the pump up. We should wait for it. You should wait for the setup to happen. Okay, you can't just enter exit like this. You wait for your. Why do we see daily time frame? It's because we have to be on the direction, market's direction. Okay, market's direction up, market direction's up, so we only buy. So what do? I go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I go to 15 minutes time frame and I wait. Okay, there is no setup happening here. It has to come down. I will wait. If today I'm not getting, it's totally fine. Tomorrow I might get 1, 2, 3, 4 also trades. Okay, I can get even 4 trades. So you always wait for your setup. You don't rush into the setups. Okay, never rush into setups. It is not going to help you. It is going to screw up everything. I hope you guys understood this. Okay, and please follow risk management. I've already taught you guys about risk management. I will attach the risk management sheet in this video too, so please use it. And and position sizing and risk management is extremely important, guys. Don't sleep over it. It can help you on a very big scale. People don't most of the people ignore it, but that is the only reason they get out of the market. Is a see, more than your offense in market, your defense is extremely important. And what is your defense? Saving your capital is your defense. So you have to save your capital no matter what. You have to do a very religiously. You have to follow risk management and position sizing, or you will blow up your capital in a day. Okay, market can eat your capital and go. It has no limit. You give it 100 crore, 1000 crore, how many billions you want, it'll eat it and go. Okay, it has so much potential, but taking out money from the market is tough. See, it's not easy. It takes time. You have to learn things. You have to take it slowly. You shouldn't rush in. So all this thing comes into play. I hope you guys understood this video. If there is any kind of doubt, you please ping me on the comment section. I'll be definitely clearing it out. Use this Bollinger Band strategy and see. Next week I'll be posting another, not next week, coming Thursday I'll be posting another swing trading strategy. That will be the second strategy which I use. So I at least have two strategies on one type of trading, that is swing. I have three because I'm a swing trader. Intraday I have two, and scalping I have two. So I will be posting everything on the coming days. I hope you guys like my content. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be appreciated. Thank you so much. So please use this strategy. Okay, and make sure you have only few stocks in your list. Don't have every stocks, it will confuse you. And make sure you wait for your setup. And please, I'm making this very clear. This is not a tip or this is not an advice. This is just my view on market and how I trade it, and this is just my intraday setup, how I do it. And please follow the risk management. Don't trade more than don't take more than 3 trades a day. If you hit 3 stop losses, please stop it. If that market is not going anywhere, it's not going anywhere, understand it. And next thing is, saving your capital should be your first ever decision, first ever priority, no matter what. I hope you guys understood all these things. Thank you so much. Take care. Like, share and subscribe, and bye.